Hello everyone, very good evening to everybody. So this is Subbu, alias Subramaniam. Today I am going to talk about exploring the style guide manager in Site Studio. Let's get started. Today our table of contents is introduction, small introduction, why to use style guide manager, how to use, and a demo. So I don't have much information in theoretically, so I'll be sharing only practical more often. So what is style guide manager? I think you might already aware of what is style guide. So it is similar to style guide, which is a style guide is a set of rules, where you can see all the rules and standards for that particular website or a theme. So it is similar to style guide. You can create one or more style guides on theme specific using Site Studio. So based on the theme, and you can override the your base styles or any of the styles using the style guide manager. So the advantage is, as I just mentioned, you can change the appearance of your website by just navigating to the Site Studio style guide. Better user interface where you can see that in Site Studio, so that you can change the themes or styles for the multi-brand or multi-sites. So here in Style Studio Style Guide Manager, we have two interfaces. One is Style Guide Builder, another is Style Guide. Style Guide Builder is nothing but form builder in Site Studio, where you will be adding your fields, whatever the fields you require for that particular style guide. So we'll be adding over here, and the output of this particular style guide builder is style guide. You can see that by navigating to the theme setting, appearance settings. I'll show you that in a moment practically. Let me just briefly explain. So this is my local site where I have installed my Site Studio. You can see the Site Studio menu over here and its related navigation. So now here you can see that style guides. Navigate to the style guide. Here you can see the list of style guides. You can create style guides. For now, I have created this style guide called TECHX. So this is my style guide name, and you can see these changes here in the appearance settings, my custom theme, which is TECHX. Before going over there, I'll just show you what I have done over here. So this is my style guide form or form builder, and here I have added my fields. Moment you click here, you can see the list of fields available. This group, accordion, tab container, tab item, range slider, color picker, icon picker, font picker, all of these things. So you can add these fields as per your requirement. And once you add over here in the style guide form, you can see the preview below. So this is accordion. So for now, I have created a font family and then colors and then font sizes for heading 1. Within that, heading 1 mobile font size, and then line height, tablet, and then desktop. You can see the preview over here. So the moment I add tab container, tab item, you can see the tabs over here, tablet, desktop. So this is preview. The same thing you will see here in the custom theme. So this is our style guide. So you can manage your styles like colors, font sizes, etc. over here. So I have added open sans here, and then the primary colors I just named as primary 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The same way, secondary, and then the font sizes for heading 1. This is mobile, and then tablet and desktop. Now, where you can see this. So the moment you create any style guide, so this is called style guide token. You will have to use this token. Just copy this token. Let's see, copy token to clipboard. Copy this token and use it in the style guide. I'll just show you how. Now I'll go back to my page. Here I have heading 1, heading 2. This is my basic page where I just added heading component and then one link feature card component and then a text component. This is a simple page. Heading, link feature card, text. Okay. Now I'll navigate here. So you can see the font sizes, colors over here. I'll show you where I have applied it. So you just have to navigate to style, site studio styles, base styles. Here I have my custom style, sorry, base style called heading one. Just edit. I have added font color, which is primary one, and then font sizes based on the breakpoints. Let's see if these are affecting or not. Primary one, right? So if you see the primary one color here, which is 1A89C9. Now you can see that it is same. Now assume that I just wanted to change this heading color, which is primary color. So I can choose the colors from the palette, or I can add the I can choose from the picker as well, color picker. Let's say I change it to black, then select. You can see that the black is applied. I'll just save this. So you can see that rebuilding entities, right? So rebuilding entities is nothing but it's rebuilding. It's nothing but clearing the cache of Site Studio. So we have clear all caches, right, in the Drupal. The same way, this rebuilding is clearing Site Studio within the Site Studio. The moment you change any base settings, website settings, so that will that should rebuild. Then only it works. Okay. Now it is completed. I'll just reload my page. You can see that the color got changed. Now let's apply. Let's create and apply the styles for heading 2. So now I wanted to create a style guide or style guide tokens for heading 2. So what I'll do is I'm adding a group accordion here. I'm naming it as heading 2. Okay. And then a tab container. Name it as mobile, because I just wanted to use different font sizes for mobile as well as desktop. And then tab item. Uh, Mobile. Okay, you can see the preview here. I just have mobile heading 2 within that mobile. Now let's add font size. So in order to use font size, I'm using range slider here. Then you need to give the mission name. That means field label, which will also convert to mission name. Let's say heading 2 mobile font size. So this is already taken as mission name, but still it is editable. If you want, you can change the mission name. So maximum value I'm just giving here like some 60 pixel. Unit I'm giving it as pixels, and then apply. You can see that heading to mobile font size, and then line height. You need to add line height as well, right? So I just duplicated that. I'm making it as line height. Apply. Okay, mobile. Same way now you need for tablet as well as desktop. So I'm just duplicating this just to save my time. I'm heading to tablet. This is tablet font size. Yes, I'm sorry, this is tab container is supposed to be only. It's supposed to be a tablet. It's supposed to be heading to this. Now you can see both mobile and tablet. Then heading to tablet line height. The same way desktop. Tablet to desktop. Apply. Apply. So now you can see the preview heading to mobile font size and line height, tablet font size and line height, desktop font size and line height. Just save and continue. Now navigate to your appearance settings. Just reload the page. Here you can see the heading to mobile, tablet, and then desktop. Now you need to define some values for mobile, tablet, and desktop. Uh, Assume that it is 16 pixel on mobile, and then line height is 18 pixel. Just drag over here. The moment you add any value, you can see the label called edited. So if you don't see any label edited, that means it doesn't save. Even if you use the token, it will not work. 16 on tablet, make it as 20, and then 24. And coming to desktop, let's make 24. And then 30. Now save this. Now, so let it rebuild. Meanwhile, we need to create the styles for heading to. So that you can do that by navigating to the style, base styles, and then heading to. Edit this. So this is the styles for heading to. I'll add font family, font color both. Okay. Now let's add a font color. Now navigate to the style token. Let's say you wanted to apply some secondary color to the heading to. So just copy this token. I'm sorry. So just enable this variable toggle mode here. So this is called toggle mode. Just enable this, add your font color. The same way, apply all of your tokens related to the font size. So this is desktop font size, line height, and then tablet. Yes, it is tablet. Tablet line height, mobile font size, mobile line height. Now toggle the token mode, save it. Now let's reload this page. Now you can see that whatever the styles like font sizes, colors you have applied over here, the same has been applied. Secondary color and then font sizes. Let's say if you change the font size of desktop from 24 to 32, it will just change. I'm sorry, it is still rebuilding. Almost done. Yes, it is done. Let's reload the page. So font size got increased. It's just that here using the style guide manager, even a non-technical guy, can come and see here mostly the content editor or the managing people or like marketing people. They can just come and see here. So what and all font family is being used, what colors are being used. So this will be more useful when you have multi-brand site or multi-sites. Assume that you have a different site or different brand with the different with same code base, but just a minor difference in style. Let's say if you wanted to have some curves here for this card, and then you wanted to use different heading styles for the different brand. So assume that way. Let me add one more token here. So this is font family, right? So I'll just duplicate this. So quit headings font family. Apply it and copy the token and then save it. Now you come to the heading 2. We have the font family here. Just apply this token, save it, and then reload this page. We have the settings font family. Just choose LoRa and then apply. It is still loading. It's done. Just reload the page. Now you will see a different font family for this setting too. The same way you can apply, you can see the difference. Now assume that for my different brand, I wanted to have different, just have minor difference. Let's see how you can make that. So now navigate to the style guides. Create a new style guide. Name it as site specific design pattern. I'll just add a group accordion. I'll name it as site specific design. And then add a tab container, tab item. I'll name it as enable click path. And then I'm just adding a toggle over here. Give some name. Enable click path. I just wanted to use the string values here. The on value is true, off value is false. And then save it. You can see the preview here. Save and continue. Copy this token. Now, if you go to your appearance settings, you can see the newly created style guide. So the value is it's not saved yet. Okay. Now, before that, let me use this token within this component. I just wanted to have some curves here. So I'll navigate to components and search for link feature card. That is my component. Edit it. I'll, I'll just add an attribute here. I'll just append that variable to an attribute. some, and then enable the token, use your token, apply, save it. Now, now I'm just enabling this, enable click path, and then save it. Just assume that since I do not have multi-site or multi-brand site, just assume that this is my different site and this is my different site. Just for a few minutes, I'll just show you the difference. Right. So I have created a site-specific design pattern, which is a new style guide. Now you need to create a style base styles. So in order to apply that style, so I have already created that. I'll just show you. So this is my style where I am just added the clip path, the polygon clip path, which is done. Let me reload this page. Now you can see that. So when you have multi-site or multi-brand, so, by just enabling or disabling such kind of things, or changing the different font families for the headings, or different uh, styles or different colors, different brands, right? So it will be very useful when you use these style guide tokens. The same way you can have the different. Let's say assume that you can have the different color for this card, the background color, the icon colors, everything. That's all about demo. So I have followed the Acquia Site Studio documentation website. You can also refer that. Anyone have any questions?
Hi guys, thank you for watching. I had an amazing time learning all the new things here at Specbee's TechX. And if you did too, do let us know in the comments below. Keep following Specbee for the latest trends in technology. See you in the next one.